We're down here at the zoo's painted dog exhibit, our newest exhibit this year. We're with Dana Burke, the keeper that takes care of these pups. It's a wonderful exhibit of very active animals, but we're with Dana to learn a little bit because the female, we think, might be pregnant.
Yes, Thane. We are hoping within the next couple weeks maybe, and especially with Amara, who has been exhibiting behaviors for this. She's been doing a lot of food guarding, and much more assertive than what her normal personality is like. So we are hopefully going to expect some pups.
Good, but that's complex too.
Yes, and because of their complex social structure, there are a lot of issues that could play out with these guys. They are like the domestic dog. They will have false pregnancies or pseudo-pregnancies. So she can exhibit physically all the signs of a pregnancy as well as hormonally and not actually be pregnant.
Okay.
And then also these guys in the wild do have a higher mortality. About 50% of the pups make it up to a year old. And it's pretty much carried over in the captivity.
Even if this first litter doesn't make it, we'll certainly learn a lot, as will she.
Yes.
So.
And what's great with this species is there's now been a buildup of international people who are sharing all this information. Their husbandry has come a long way in the last 10, 15 years. And I've been lucky enough to be able to network with these people and get their knowledge and try to apply it to the dogs that we have here. So I'm hoping with that and the great care that we give here that we'll have pups and it will be successful. And they are endangered, so the numbers are very important.
Exactly. Now you have the two. There's Amara, and she's the female, and the male is
Brahma. He's 8 years old.
Now how do visitors tell them apart?
Brahma, you can see, has mostly yellow and also a larger head. The males tend to have a larger head structure, as with most animals. And then Amara is much more delicate. She's got a lot more white, a lot of the spotting on the legs.
They're great looking
petite,
dogs.
Yes.
So one other thing visitors must notice, they're very playful animals. They don't just lay around like a cat.
No.
Yeah.
In the wild, they are active in the mornings and the evenings usually. But here we're lucky enough where we can give them enrichment and get them up and moving and they have fun. And they are, like I said, a very social animal, so they enjoy that. And that's a big part of their structure. The greeting and the playing reinforces those bonds. So it's very important that they do that. You'll see a lot of like face licking and chirping and talking and a lot of play bow. So they're fun and they're super smart.
Well, it's neat. It's a neat exhibit. I'm glad you're here to take care of them, and hopefully
Me too.
we'll have some pups. So thanks very much.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. When you come down to the zoo, sometimes even in the winter, they're out if it's not too cold. So take a look at our painted dogs.